Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make Rajma curry. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, put soaked Rajma in a pressure cooker and add water. The level of water should be more than Rajma. Put salt and turmeric and cook for 3 whistles. If you can't soak the Rajma overnight, just cook for 8 to 9 whistles. Now put the boiled rajma separately and in the same pressure cooker add oil, jeera, chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Now we add onion masala and mix it. The link for onion masala is in the description. It's time to add tomato puree. You can make this at home or use store-bought puree. Now we add salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, Asafoetida or hing. Mix it and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now we add the boiled rajma that we had kept aside, mix it and cook it for 3 whistles. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or chapati. Voila! Punjabi style Rajma curry is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.